In this video, I will show you how you can adjust your iPad to full screen. Now, in your iPad, if you open an app, it will automatically open in a pop-up window. But if the app has opened in full screen mode and if you want to open it in a pop-up window, just drag that app down from the top of the screen. And by doing that, you will open that selected app in a pop-up window. Now, to increase or decrease the size of the window, just drag that app from the bottom right corner of the screen, and you will be able to increase or decrease the size of the window. If you want to open multiple apps at the same time, you can either drag an app upward and you can open it in a pop-up window just like that, or you can just swipe up on the screen and you can select any app from here just like that, and you will be able to open multiple apps in a pop-up window just like that. But if you want to open apps in the traditional iPad mode, like if you want to open apps in full screen mode, so for that, just go to Settings. And under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Multitasking and Gestures. Now, if your iPad is either on Windowed Apps or Stage Manager, just select Full Screen Apps. And after you do that, all the apps on your iPad will open in full screen mode, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.